Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for Cognizant 2025 interviews, whether it's Gen Z, Gen Z Pro, or Gen Z Next, then this is the video you need. Whether you are a fresher or someone who is already shortlisted, this video will give you all the Python concepts, theory, and coding questions you need in one go. Sit back, grab your notes. Let's crack this together. This video is specially designed for Cluster 2 candidates where Python is the programming language for all the roles. In the next video, I will be covering SQL interview questions for all clusters like Cluster 1, Cluster 2 and Cluster 3. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's start with Python technical theory questions. The first question is, what is Python? Python is a high level interpreted programming language that supports multiple programming paradigms like object oriented, functional, and procedural. It's known for its simple syntax and reliability, make it perfect for beginners and powerful for professionals. It can be used in web development, automation, data science, AI, and scripting. Like this, you can answer this question. And next question is Python versus C. In this, you can differentiate Python and C as Python is dynamically typed and it is an interpreted language and it is slower compared to C. And we can use this Python in web, AI, and scripting. When it comes to C, C is a static type and it is compiled language and it is faster and it can be used in OS and embedded systems. Python offers ease of development and faster prototyping, while C provides more control and speed. Next question was related to lambda functions, map, filter, and reduce. These are Python functional programming tools. Use lambda for small anonymous functions. Use map to transform elements. Filter is to filter elements and reduce to accumulate values. Like this, you can explain that. And next question is Python collections overview. Python has powerful inbuilt collections like list, tuple, set, and dictionaries. We can say like list is ordered collection data type and it is mutable. When it comes to tuples, it is also ordered collection and it is immutable. Sets are unordered collection data type and these are unique. And when it comes to dictionaries, those are key value pairs. Know the basic methods and when to use which. Next question is related to object oriented programming. Python supports OOPs using classes and objects so that everyone should be aware of four pillars of OOPs like abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. Next question is overloading versus overriding. Python does not support traditional method overloading. You can stimulate it using default or variable length arguments. Method overriding, on the other hand, is supported using inheritance. Try to explain these both terms more deeply for better impression. Next question is multithreading and multiprocessing. These both are used for concurrent execution of tasks. When it comes to multithreading, it runs multiple threads in a single process. Best for input outbound tasks like file or network operations. Multiprocessing. In this, it runs separate processes idle for CPU bound tasks like heavy computations. Due to Python's global interpreter lock, only one thread runs at a time in Python, limiting CPU bound multithreading. Next question is exception handling. Python handles runtime errors using exception handling blocks. We have four blocks: try, except, finally, and rise. In try block, we write the code that may raise an error. When it comes to except block, it handles specific or general exceptions. Finally, block always runs and it is used for cleanup like closing files or DB connections. When it comes to rise, It is used for manually trigger an exception. Next question is file handling. Python provides an easy way to handle files using the with statement, which ensures the file is properly closed after operations. File module includes R for read, W for write, A for append, and binary modes like RB and WB. Next question is about decorators and generators. Decorators are used to modify or enhance the behavior of functions or methods without changing their code. They are widely used for logging, access control, and validation. When it comes to generators, these are special functions that return values one at a time using yield. They are memory efficient and ideal for iterating over large data sets. Next question is about list and dictionary comprehensions. Comprehensions provides a compact and readable way to create lists, dictionaries, and sets. They are faster and cleaner than traditional loops. Next question is recursion. Recursion is when a function calls itself to solve smaller instances of a problem. It is essential to define a base case to prevent infinite recursion. Common examples include factorial, Fibonacci, and tree traversal. Next question is about modules, package, and main function. Modules and packages helps us to organize and reuse code. We use double underscore name double underscore equal to double underscore main double underscore to ensure certain blocks of code run only when the script is executed directly, not when imported. Next question is about memory management. Python manages memory automatically using reference counting and a garbage collector. The GC module allows the manual garbage collection. We can also use del to remove object references. Next question is about Python versions and features. Python 3 introduced several modern features like print as a function, fstrings, type, and improved performance. It is the best to use Python 3.8 plus for access to the latest features. Now, let's see the coding questions that we can expect in Cognizant interviews. First question is prime number check. We check up the square root of the number for efficiency. If any divisor is found, it is not a prime. And next question is like palindrome check. Reversing a string and comparing it with original is the fastest way to check palindromes. And next coding question is Fibonacci using recursion plus memorization. I have provided code snippet here. Try to practice it. Next coding question is binary search. Binary search is used on sorted arrays. We eliminate half the search space every iteration. Here I have provided some more important coding questions like sum of even numbers in list, factorial of a number, count vowels in string, merge sort, even or odd. Try to practice these coding questions before your interview to increase the chances of getting shortlisted. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We covered some of the most important Python interview questions that Cluster 2 candidates absolutely need to know. Whether you are applying for Gen Z, Gen Z Pro, Gen Z Next, etc., this is your toolkit. Remember, interviews aren't just about writing code. It's about explaining your thought process, knowing the why behind every concept, and sounding clear, confident, and job ready. In my upcoming videos, I will be posting SQL interview questions for all clusters like cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3. So, whether you are into Gen Z, Gen Z Pro, or Gen Z Next, I have got you covered. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to stay updated. Comment below and let me know which question helped you the most. Share this with a friend who is preparing for interviews. Subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss upcoming sequel videos. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you are just one interview away from changing your life. I will see you in the next video.